Coach Summer here, owner at Shala, and I am so incredibly excited to share with you our new Shala on-demand video subscription service. We're calling it the Digital Nomad Membership. We've learned a ton throughout this entire process of training virtually. We've learned that clients love the convenience of being able to have all of their workouts at their fingertips, being able to select which coach and which workout they want to do at home. We've realized that people really like the ability to train at home because it cuts out the travel time to and from the studio. We also learned that people in different time zones love the recorded classes too. So our clients that are in Australia or London or maybe in New York or Canada, they can train with us and do it on their own time. And they're still getting the high quality user experience that they would right here in the studio. The other amazing thing about having this on-demand subscription is that we no longer have to cap our classes at how many people we can hold in this physical space. So prior to COVID, we only had 20 people in a class max. And as you're swinging Mace with 20 people in the room, it can get a little hairy. But what we found is by going virtually and filming our classes in person, people actually get into a deeper state of flow because they're training in their own environment, they're training at home, and there's nobody around them that they have to compare themselves to or worry about getting too close with the Mace. And so it's really allowed people to expand their practice. And we're super, super excited to launch this new program. It's going to carry us through the rest of the year, and we really intend on keeping this up long term because we know that the things that we're teaching in the studio are really, really unique, and they're helping people stay out of stress. They're helping people tap into flow state and helping people reconnect with themselves.